Whether you're a skilled marksman, a military personnel, or just a citizen trying to stay safe, there are a couple of handguns that shouldn't be missing from your collection if at all you want to take the survival game seriously. You have to own every single gun that hits the market. All you need is that particular one that doesn't go down until all threats are eliminated, and once you find that one, your survival is guaranteed. From pistols to revolvers, I'll show you 5 must-have handguns you need to have if you want to stay alive amidst the insecurity in the country. Hit like if this sounds like something you'd want to know more about, and if you want more firearm updates and reviews, this is the place to get an unbiased opinion, so I urge you to subscribe to our channel and get ready for an interesting ride through the firearms industry. Let's get into this. First up on our list is the Ruger GP100. This mind-blowing revolver is subtle in its actions, but it's more than capable of keeping you and all that you love out of harm's way. It's no exaggeration to say that the GP100 is one of the best revolvers you'll be grateful to have beside you if you ever need to shoot a few rounds that would determine whether or not you see the sunrise and sunset again. The GP100 chambers the remarkable .357 Magnum round elegantly within its 6-shot cylinder. It's available in concealable barrel lengths and barrels as long as 6 inches in length. When it comes to quality, Ruger put a great deal into making this pistol high quality, and its performance is top grade. If you're the type that loves your revolver with a little bit of weight, then you'll love the solid feel you get when you hold this weighty lot. What's more comforting about the GP100 is its top-tier performance, even at an affordable price. Its design is simple, and so is its operation. You can hardly go wrong with the Glock 19 Gen 5 in the league of compact pistols. If you want a pistol to keep at an arm's length without having to worry about what could be wrong each time you hear a creepy sound, common sense demands that the Glock 19 Gen 5 be the easiest option. Not only does its affordable price make it a go-to concealed carry gun for many, but its undeniable reliability and performance prove that it's worthy of a spot in any collection, whether you're one of those who would fight for the brand or not. The Glock 19 Gen 5, chambered in 9mm, boasts a magazine capacity of 15 rounds and a barrel that's 4.02 inches long. Its lightweight and polymer frame makes the striker-fired semi-automatic pistol easy to carry around and maneuver. A great pistol doesn't necessarily cost a fortune, and the CZP-10C emphasizes that. With a price tag of $300, the CZP-10C performs far more than a handful of handguns that come at higher prices. From a line of CZ pistols that have the trademark of accuracy and reliability, these pistols will be a great addition to you and are sure to keep you alive in case of unforeseen circumstances. With the CZP-10C by your side, you'll be adequately prepared to face your foes. It's a polymer-framed striker-fired pistol with a 15-round magazine capacity and the size of a Glock 19. It's got a lightweight, ambidextrous magazine release and adjustable backstrap. You can fit it with various sight options, and this pistol is the easiest to carry for concealed carry. It causes no skin irritation in the case of on-skin carry and when you want to reach. Very few revolvers have a good balance between weight and capability. Some are too heavy to serve their purpose right, or there's a slight imbalance between the gun's weight and proportion. However, with the Model 686, Smith & Wesson achieved what most manufacturers struggle with: balance. Nothing beats a handgun that has significant weight and isn't hindered by it. Built on the large end frame, this Smith & Wesson Model 686 is chambered in .357 Magnum. It holds a 6-shot cylinder that's slightly larger than usual with a 4-inch barrel. Power and accuracy are two things this revolver stands for, so it's no surprise it made it to the top 2 on our list. Whether you want to keep it home for defense or carry it with you when stepping out for a few hours, this powerful gun is an accessory you can call an investment. a safe investment of just about $900. Developed when a more powerful ammo that has existed was sorted, the 10mm ammo was a groundbreaking innovation. Some handguns chambered in 10mm, like the Springfield Armory XDM Elite, tend to be too powerful for some people to wield. If you think you could handle a little more power than the regular 9mm offers, or you just want something different for a change, the Springfield Armory XDM Elite will catch your fancy. This isn't just another handgun added to the market to fill up space, it's a dependable one. All the good stuff this pistol offers comes in a simple polymer vessel given a sleek Cerakote finish, equipped with a 16-round magazine, Picatinny rail, hexagon dragonfly red dot optics, and an aggressive grip texture you've never seen anything like. I'm gonna hammer a little bit on the gripping of the XDM Elite because it just makes the overall shooting experience pleasurable no matter your hand size. All for $837. The patterns on the grip and even the sight of it are so beautiful to behold, and when you finally lay hold of it, you'll discover that it feels different. With the Springfield Armory XDM Elite, it really doesn't matter why you're in the market for a new handgun. As long as you're experienced enough, can handle a 10mm round, and are searching for a handgun to help you survive, the XDM Elite is up for the task. If you've watched till this point, then I'd like to say a big thank you for hanging around till the end. But before I conclude the list of the top 5 handguns you need to survive, I'd like to add a bonus handgun, one that fits in the place of a versatile self-defense weapon, the Smith & Wesson M&P 9M 2.0 Contact. This compact version of Smith & Wesson's M&P line of pistols can stand shoulder to shoulder with the Glock 19 and would easily outshine it. It has a remarkable range performance and is an excellent defense pistol. Even military personnel find it convenient and effective, and it's an effective choice for many. Anyone who's familiar with the M&P line of pistols can tell that Smith & Wesson really put some time into addressing the issues with the previous versions and have thus developed a superior version. The Smith & Wesson M&P 9M 2.0 Compact is a polymer-framed striker-fired pistol equipped with a 4-inch stainless steel barrel and holds a 15-round magazine capacity. It has bilateral controls, an enhanced trigger, and an aggressive frame texture. It's a pistol worth every penny of its $569 price tag. And that's about it for the must-have handguns you need to survive. We hope you found this video helpful and informative. Please share your thoughts with us in the comments below. Are you looking to purchase one or more handguns that we reviewed in this video? Feel free to engage with us. If you'd like to get more firearms reviews and recommendations, subscribe to our channel. And to show us that you enjoyed this video, please like and share it with someone you know who will find it just as interesting as you did. Let's spread the word, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you in the next one, and bye for now.